In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an opening balance in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to fill in, and how to double check that your opening balance is set up correctly so your reports line up from day one. First, head to your chart of accounts. You can get there from the accounting section in the left menu. This is the list of every account your books will track, and it's where new accounts are added. Next, select the option to create a new account. QuickBooks will open a form with a few fields. Start by giving the account a clear, recognizable name. For example, if you're setting up a business checking account, use the bank's name and the last few digits to avoid confusion later. If your company uses account numbers, you can add one here as well. Now choose the correct account type and detail type. This part matters because it controls where balances appear on your financial statements. For example, bank and cash accounts are typically set to bank. Credit cards use credit card. Assets like petty cash might be other current assets. Loans go under liabilities. And owner contributions belong in equity. If you're unsure, a quick check with your accountant can save cleanup work later. With that in place, enter the opening balance and date. Use the balance from the statement that matches your start date in QuickBooks, the date you want your books to begin. If you plan to start on the 1st of the month, use the opening balance from that day, not the ending balance from the prior day. Add a memo like opening balance as of date for clarity. For bank accounts, enter the amount of cash you have. For credit cards, enter what you owe as of that start date. QuickBooks will handle the sign behind the scenes based on account type. When everything looks right, click the highlighted Save option to commit the account. After saving, return to the chart of accounts, find your new account, and open its register. You should see an opening balance entry with the amount and date you set. If anything is off, adjust the entry and save again so your beginning numbers match your records. A quick tip: if you're connecting a bank feed that will bring in historical transactions to your start date, consider leaving the opening balance blank and letting downloads establish it. Otherwise, you may create duplicates. Also, for accounts receivable or accounts payable, it's best to enter outstanding customer invoices or vendor bills rather than a single opening balance. That's it. Your opening balance is now set, and you're ready to move forward with confidence.